Yo, what's going on, Matt?
What's up, Slay J?
Having a little order packing party. I'd love to see it.
What's one thing that you'd like to say to all your customers that we're packing for right now?
I'm just so grateful and appreciative of just, having so many Flow Me's just support the business. It's really cool. I've been doing this for a couple of years, but we see a lot of repeat names, a lot of repeat customers. And one of my favorite things to do is just add a little bit of extra goodies to the returning customers, whether it's a baby Flowstar, an extra Flowstar, or even a little, we got some new drawstring bags in the mix now too. So it's cool to see the same returning names over and over, and I just couldn't be more grateful. Before, it's definitely helping. Like, it goes by so much faster.